In this video, we're gonna practice this drawing in 2D. So we first start off with circle by typing C and enter. Click anywhere in the black screen. Then specify the radius. Radius is 20. Zoom in, zoom out. And then we draw the second circle here with the radius of 31. We can press spacebar to repeat to call back the command. And then we specify the center point here is 31. Type the radius and press enter. Zoom in and zoom out. You can do it with your wheel of the mouse, and then place the wheel of the mouse and drag it like this. It's just moving. And we create a line with 36 degree. You can type down and then enter. Specify the starting point. The length is doesn't matter. We just want the angle. So then we place tab in the keyboard and we enter the radius, the degree of 60. Enter, and we can press enter. So if you want to make sure it is 60 degree or not, we can measure it, of course. And then we go to annotate. Go to radius. Oh no, sorry, it must be angle. 60 degree already, so that is great. So delete this, and then we need to create one circle here. 9. Enter, and then we need circle here. The little one, that is 4. Call back the command, and then outer is 8. What do we have to delete now? So we want to delete some line here. Just type and right click, and then you can delete what is not necessary. Okay, and then place the space bar. And we have this. We can delete this. And you know what we're gonna do? Then we come here, rectangle, poly. Here. And how many? 6 of them? 2, 4, 6, already 6. Okay, that's great. And then we can click exit. And then if we want to explode this, we can explode, select object, explode and enter, and then it's become individual, so that we can delete what's not necessary. Right click here. Okay. This. We don't need this. And next, we need a line starting from here. let's say with the length of 65, enter, and then we create a line from here to here. And we need also the center line. Come from here. No, it's okay. Yes, it's okay. We need the line. We need the line here. And this, of course, we need to be longer. Okay. And then what's next? We know that from this center point to this center point is 110. So we have 110 divided by 2. We have 50. We can offset to 55, enter, and then we select the one and want to offset. Okay. Now I think we have the center. The circle is here and here, and the circle here. The radius of the center of the circle is the inner is 8. The outer is 15. And then we can also do the Milo. But then I create another circle. 2 point. No. I use tangent radius here and here. And then the radius of this is 18. And then enter. And then we delete what is not necessary by right click and then drag over. Okay, here we have already. Here. And we can do the middle. I and enter and then specify this line. And then click no and spacebar and delete what is not necessary. Okay. Okay, we have this now. And then next step we need to create this big circle first, maybe. This big circle. Okay, this big circle we can create a circle and then we need to find the center point of the circle. So the center point of the circle here we can have the bigger one plus this plus 8 plus 15 because it's touching here. So we have 100 plus 15 and we got 115 and repeat and it will be the same 115 and now the intersection point here should be the center point of this bigger circle. Then we type C enter again and we create from here intersection point. Then it should come to exactly right 100. Oh, I see. Sorry. We need to minus, not plus. Okay, right. We need to minus, so 100 minus 50. We got 85. Here, 85, and also spacebar again to ignore the command and 85. Now it should be correct. Now, spacebar again. Here, the radius is 100. Right here. And we let these two need it. And let this also. And also change it out. Spacebar. And next is what? We're gonna create this one. Use line command. Up is 15. Now we know the radius. Then we create the center. It's 15. And then right spacebar and then 8 enter. And this one. So we delete this one. And yeah, that's it. What we get here. And then to add a dimension, we can have center guideline here. Another text dimension. Okay, from here, here, 16. Then minus 18 is 100. This one is 15. And this one is 8. And this one 8. And this one 4. Mm, this one is 20. And this one is 31. And we can save, go to here, save. Mm, e- something. 9. And then we click enter. That's it. Drawing with Tom. So thank you very much.